Welcome back. Today we are going to make a wreath from Dollar Tree. So I have assembled 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different kinds of little flowers I can use. I probably won't use them all, but I like having all the options. Let's have a little ribbon to tie onto it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the ribbon on. It came with a twisty tie. I think that's handy. I'm going to put it around the spot where there's this little thing. And I promise this will look better. I might hot glue it in place as well. I think I am. This one's a little flimsy. Sometimes when they're not flimsy, you have to do that, but I like it on like a side. I'll show you in a second. Hot gluing it into place. Now the flowers. So I like to start with the biggest ones. Let's find the biggest ones. These are probably them. And actually with these you can just pop it off. They pull right off. So do the leaves. So you're gonna do them separately. This is styrofoam, so I'm just going to punch it in and then I'll put a little bit of glue in there just so it stays still. Which it actually will, even if you don't have hot glue, like that's not really going anywhere. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to take the leaves and I'll put them near, on the sides. So it's kind of, you can kind of see that. See, like this one's a little loose, so I'll pop it out. A little hot glue in there. Light pink are pretty. Definitely want to use these. Let's pop these off. These ones are a little longer. And they're actually going to sit up, so it'll give you volume. You can kind of see what I mean by that. So it's got more of that 3D effect. Okay. So far so good. Definitely want to use these. They're kind of a filler. It'll just come right off. It's fantastic. Just gonna work that in. I'm kind of putting them in at an angle from the longer one. No, this looks weird. Wait for it. More leaves. Purple. This is really gonna fill it in nice. So good. These leaves are kind of fun. This one I'm actually going to glue into place. It's just going to fill in.